Hello everybody, welcome back to another one of my videos. This is Baking Budgets. I am a 22-year-old cash stuffer here in Washington State. I'm married and I have a little baby girl, and I do some of my expenses in cash and some of them I leave on the card. So if that's something that interests you and you like to keep watching, thank you. And if you'd like to subscribe, then that would be great. So today in this video, what I'm going to do is tomorrow is the start of a new pay period. So I'm going to be unstuffing this week's bills to pay towards our credit cards to bring to the bank. And I'm also going to be doing a happy mail unboxing of something that I am really looking forward to. This is what we're unboxing today. I'm so excited. This is something that I've been wanting for a really long time. But I just didn't want to buy it for myself because I just felt like, I don't need it. I'm okay without it. But my husband bought it for me and I'm so happy that he bought this. Let's see. And I'm so excited to use this for my videos. Oh my god. Okay, look at it. It is a little money holder. Look at it. It is so cute. I'm gonna put it right here. And then we'll begin the cash unstuffing. Okay, perfect. So right here I just wrote out our weekly expenses by day, which card, and if we had used cash or if we had spent it on the card and we have to pay it back. So I will keep this right here. And to start off, we're going to start with our black binder. Okay, so we're first going to unstuff coffee. We spent $22.13, which honestly is actually a really good week for us. Normally we actually spend more than that, but what happened is there was a new coffee spot that opened up near our house, and all weekend they had free drinks, so we were able to go. Literally we went Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, and we got free drinks, so we only went to get coffee twice this week, so we spent $22.13. So in here we have 25. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put, let's see, because here be 1s, 5s, 10s, and 20s. I'll take out the 25, and I'm gonna just make a little note that we took out 25 so that if we can break some change, we can put some back. Next is eating out, was $92.60. So let's see what we can do here. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 90. So we need $2.60 more, but I'll just write down that we only took out 90. Okay, and I'm just gonna put the $10 back in here for now. So next we have car, spent $2. And we have 50. Okay, so let's see what we can do here. So we need to put back 48. So we can put back 45 for now. So I'll just put the 50, take back 20, 45. So we put $5 instead of $2. Next we have family time. And for family time, we spent $58.94. And I don't think we have that much in there, but we will see. So family time, we were able to buy tickets to go to the zoo. We haven't gone to the zoo yet, but we already bought our tickets, so that's why this week's price is kind of high. Okay, so let's see how much we have. So we have 20, 25, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. So we put down 35. And then we'll see where we have to come and take money from so that we can meet the correct amount so that we can pay off the Amex. Put that there. Ew, this one's ugly. So how's everybody been doing? Oh my god, kind of under the weather today. My husband and I were both sick, and our daughter is sick, and you can probably tell by my voice. So it's not been the most pleasant week, but we are just trying to get through it and trying to stay with it, you know. But it's really hard when you're sick. So next, my husband this week, he spent $112.17. So we'll see what we have in here. So there's 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, and 110, 115. So he spent $112, so we can put back $3. 1, 2, 3. And then this will go to the bank. My husband, he bought some stuff for his grill this weekend. You know, it's been getting a lot warmer out here, so we're having more barbecues, and so he got some little gadgets and stuff for his grill that he's really excited about. Okay, so I think what my plan is to add up the entire amount, see how much we're missing, and then see where we can take from. I'll add up these amounts here, and I'll put what the total should be versus how much cash we have currently and what we need to add to meet our amount to pay the credit card back. So coffee was $22.13, eating out $92.60, car $2, family time $58.94, and my husband's spending $112.17 is $287.84. And then the amount of cash that we have here, 25 plus 90 plus 5 plus 35 plus 112 equals 267. Okay, so then we still need 287, 84 minus 267. We still need $21. So 2084. We need $21. Okay, so let's see where we can get this money from. Start with our black binder. We have nothing left in grocery. My husband's gas is actually going to be rolled over to next week. I have nothing in gas right now. Household, I'm not going to take from there. But I think I will take this $10 out of eating out. Okay, $10. We'll look at the pink binder. Pink. Okay, we can take out my spending money. That's totally fine because we're gonna go to the zoo. So, I don't mind spending for that using my money. So there's 10 and 20, and then from my husband's, we will take out the $1. So then I think what we'll do is I will put $1 in for him, and then the other $1 for me. Okie doke. All right. So now we have $10, $20, and $21. Perfect. So now, if we add all of this up, it should come out to $288. So we can pay back the credit card. Start with the 20s. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100, 50, 60, 70, 75, 80, 85, 86, 87, 88. Perfect. So we have $288 here. That's going to go back to the bank. That's it that I have for today. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I really appreciate you guys. And if you like what you see, please go ahead and subscribe and be part of this budgeting community. Thank you guys so much. Bye.